Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to use Workspaces in Visual Studio Code so you can open and manage multiple folders or projects in one window. For us to be able to begin, let's try to start with clicking on File here onto the upper left corner of the screen. Right after, click on Add Folder to Workspace. So let's choose our first folder in here. So let's head here on my documents and then we're gonna use this one. Click on Add. And then right after, as you can see, we'll go ahead and create an entitled workspace. So we'll add another one, click on File again, and add folder to workspace, and let's add another folder. So let's find another folder that we could add here, like this one. Click on Add, and as you can see, I have two folders already in here. So we could see it both listed in the Explorer sidebar, which is this one, and we can now work with multiple folders in one VS Code window. Now, let's try to save this setup so you can open it again later. So we're gonna click on File again here and save Workspace as. So you could name your workspace anything you want. Like for example, let's name this VS Code Projects. VS Code Proj. Then right after, let's save it anywhere you like. Like we could save it again on my documents. Click on Save. And as you can see, it will also change in here the file name for that. So you could try to close this one out by clicking on File in here and clicking on Close Workspace. So you could try to use a shortcut key as well for that. And if you want to go ahead and try to reopen it, click on File in here and click on Open Workspace from File. So you'll just have to go ahead and locate the workspace that we've saved earlier. So let's find it in here, which is this one. Click on Open again. And VS Code will reopen all folders just as you left them. So super handy if you want to go ahead and work on multiple things. Now, if you want to remove a folder from your workspace, you'll just have to go ahead and right click onto that one. And then right after, select Remove Folder from Workspace. And by that, you could go ahead and manage everything easily inside VS Code. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.